Did you know that screeching dial-up sound wasn't just noise? It was actually two computers having a conversation. Every time you connected to the internet in the 90s, your modem had to talk to your internet provider's modem, and you could hear every word. That awful screeching was them negotiating in real time. First, your modem would dial and listen for a carrier signal. Then both modems would test the phone line quality by sending different audio frequencies back and forth. The faster the modem, the more complex sounds it made. Some users became like modem whisperers. They could tell if their connection would be good or bad just by listening. A clean, quick handshake meant fast internet. Lots of static and repeated sounds? You were in for a slow night online. Unlike today's silent broadband, dial-up had to use your phone line's audio frequencies, so the negotiation was completely audible. Next time someone complains about slow internet, remind them we used to diagnose connection problems just by listening to robots scream at each other.